How to fix the Windows Update error 0x80070643. Step 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Type Troubleshooting in the search box and select Troubleshooting. In the System and Security section, click on Fix Problems with Windows Update. Click on Advanced and check Apply Repairs automatically. Click Run as Administrator and then next Run the Troubleshooter. Step 2. Clear Windows Update Cache. Stop Services. Press Windows key ++R. Type Services. Mess C. Find Bits and Windows Update Services. Right-click each and select Stop. Clear Cache. Navigate to C. Windows. Software Distribone. Download. Delete all files and folders. Restart Services. Right-click Bits and Windows Update Services in the Services window. Select Start. Step 3. Run SFC and DISM scans. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type SFC, ScanOAnt, DISM. Online. Clean up image, restore health, let them complete, then restart. Step 4. Rename the Software Distribone folder. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type netstop waserv to stop Windows Update Service. Rename the folder by typing renc, Windows, Software Distribone, old. Restart the Windows Update Service by typing netstart waserv. Step 5. Clear the cache to folder contents. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Stop the cryptographic service by typing netstop crypts. Rename the cache to folder by typing renc, Windows, System32, cache to cache2. Restart the cryptographic service by typing netstart crypts. Step 6. Repair .NET Framework. Download the .NET Framework Repair tool from Microsoft website and follow instructions. Step 7. Repair system files. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type SFC, ScanOAnt and let it repair system files. Step 8. Install updates in clean boot state. Perform a clean boot, then attempt to install updates. Step 9. Resize the WinRAR partition if applicable. Follow Microsoft's instructions to resize the WinRAR partition. Step 10. Temporarily disable antivirus. Disable antivirus software, run Windows Update, and re-enable antivirus. Step 11. Manually install the update. Download and install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 12. Restart Windows Installer. Open Services window, locate Windows Installer, right-click and select Restart. Step 13. Reset Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type the provided commands one by one, pressing Enter after each.